Morning children, welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class we have started our third lesson children. What is our third lesson? Lifestyle in India, and we are discussing about the ingredients children. Yes, we are done with the food grains. Yes, no children, we are done with the food grains. Now let us discuss about pulses children. Pulses. Let us discuss about other ingredients. First let us discuss about pulses children. Children, some of the main pulses that are used in India are moong beans children. Moong beans. Moong beans means children. Yes children, in Telugu, moong beans means pesarlu. Okay children, in the preparation of our favorite tiffin, moong beans are used. Yes or no children? Pesarattu. Pesarattu is made with moong beans. And children, sprouts are also, we can eat this moong bean sprouts children. We can eat this moong beans sprouts. Yes children. Next, urad dal children. Urad dal means in Telugu minapappu. This urad dal is used in the preparation of idli, vada and dosa. Yes or no children? This urad dal is used in the preparation of idli, dosa and vada. And next, garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Garbanzo beans or chickpeas children. In Telugu, shenagalu. In Telugu we say shenagalu children. Okay. Garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Generally chickpeas powder is used in different snacks children. Yes. Chickpeas powder. Senagapindi. This is used in different snacks. Okay children. Next. Masoor dal children. Masoor dal. Children, masoor dal means red dal children. Means it is red in color. It is red in color. It is same like tur dal, but it is red in color. Okay children. And next, tur dal. Tur dal means children kandipappu. Kandipappu. Okay. Yes. And children, these are some of the main pulses in India. These are some of the main pulses in India. Okay children. Let us discuss about oil seeds children. Oil seeds such as mustard and sesame. Children, these seeds are used to produce oil children. These seeds are used to produce oil. Children, in the eastern states, mustard oil is used children in the cooking. People in the eastern states use mustard oil for cooking. And children, in the southern states people use coconut oil and till oil. Till oil means children sesame oil. Sesame oil is known as till oil. In the southern state, people mostly use coconut oil and till oil. And children, people also use sunflower oil children. Sunflower seeds oil. And also rice bran oil children. Rice bran oil means children, the oil is extracted from the outer layer of the rice. The rice bran oil is extracted from the outer layer of the rice children. Okay. And in Punjab children, ghee is mostly used. In the state of Punjab, ghee is mostly used in cooking. In most of the dishes they use ghee. Okay children. Next let us discuss about spices children. Next let us discuss about spices. Children, let us see some of the spices that are most commonly used in India. Okay children. Shopa, suva, aniseed children. Shopa, suva, aniseed means children in Telugu sompu. In Telugu sompu. Aniseed means sompu children. Generally after the lunch or the dinner we take this aniseed. Yes children. Yes. Next. Hing children. Asafoetida. Hing means asafoetida. Asafoetida means in Telugu inguva children. We use this in our dishes. Mostly in pulihora. Yes or no children? This hing is added in pulihora. Yes children. In other dishes also this is used. Okay. And next children, mirch means chili or pepper. Chili, red chili, green chili, and pepper means children miriyalu. Yes children. Miriyalu. Yes. Next, cardamom means in Telugu ilachi children. Cardamom means ilachi in Telugu. And kali mirch, peppercorn means miriyalu children. Miriyalu. Okay. Children, these are some of the spices that are most commonly used in India. Children, Kerala is called land of spices children. Why it is called land of spices children? Because most of the spices are grown in this state. Most of the spices are grown in this state. Indian food is spicy, and children, Indian curries are famous all over the world. Indian curries are famous all over the world because Indian food is spicy. Yes or no, children? And children, some of the leaves are added to the dishes, children, to increase its taste. Some of the leaves are added to increase its taste, children. Like example, basil, children. Basil means Telugu tulasi. Basil tree is there, no, children? Tulasi tree. Tulasi chettu antaru. Yes, basil, children. And coriander. Kottimira in Telugu. Coriander means Kottimira in Telugu. Mint. Mint, children. Mint means pudina. And curry leaves, children. Curry leaves. Karivepaku. Children, these are the leaves which are added to the dishes to increase the taste of the dishes. Okay, children. Children, we do not get all the fruits and vegetables throughout the year. Do we get, children? Do we get all the vegetables and fruits throughout the year? No, children. We get different fruits and different vegetables in different season. Okay, children. We get different types of fruits and vegetables in different season. Like for example, children, mangoes. Mangoes are available in summer season. Yes, children. Mangoes are available in winter season? Are mangoes are available in winter season, children? No. Mangoes are only available in summer season. Like this, children, some fruits are available in some season, and the vegetables also, they are available in some seasons only. And children, the most of the commonly used vegetables in India are potatoes, cabbage, carrot and brinjal. And children, fruits, apples, mangoes, oranges, coconuts and grapes. These are the popular fruits in India, children. Special dishes, children. Now let us discuss some of the special dishes of India. Children, in India, every place is known for its food, children. In India, every place is known for its food. And this food is different from the other places' food, children. This food is different from the other places' food. For example, children, whenever we say biryani, we always remember Hyderabadi biryani. Yes or no, children? Hyderabadi biryani is very famous. Yes? Biryani is made in other states also, but it is different from Hyderabadi biryani. Yes or no, children? So, Hyderabadi biryani is famous in the state of Telangana. Yes or no, children? Now, let us see some of the examples of special dishes of India. Okay, children? Yes. Rogan Josh, children. Rogan Josh. Children, this is a special dish of Jammu and Kashmir. Rogan Josh is the special dish of Jammu and Kashmir, children. This is made of red meat, children. Rogan Josh is made of red meat. Okay, children? Yes. Next. Dal Bati Churma, children. This is a famous dish of Rajasthan. Dal Bati Churma is the famous dish of Rajasthan, children. This is made with dal and wheat rolls, children. Dal Bati Churma is made with dal and wheat rolls. Okay, children? Yes, next. Dokla, children. Dokla is the famous dish in Gujarat, children. Dokla is the famous dish in Gujarat. Children, dokla is made with gram flour. Means chenagapindi. This is made with gram flour, children. Dokla is made with gram flour. Okay, children. Next. Hyderabadi biryani. Hyderabadi biryani. Children, it is a famous dish of which state, children? Hyderabadi biryani is famous of which state? Yes, children, Telangana. It is a famous dish of Telangana. It is made with basmati rice and chicken. Okay, children. Yes. Next. Tekua. Tekua, children. This is a famous dish of Bihar and Jharkhand, children. It is a sweet. It is made with jangri and wheat flour, children. This is a sweet and it is made of jangri and wheat flour. Okay, children. Yes. Next. Makke di roti, children. Makke di roti. This is a special dish of Punjab, children. Makke di roti is a special dish of Punjab. This roti is made with maize flour, children. This roti is made of maize flour and it is mostly served with chutneys. Okay, children? Yes. Next. Shami kebab, children. Shami kebab. It is a famous dish of Uttar Pradesh, children. Shami kebab is a famous dish of Uttar Pradesh. These kebabs are made with mutton, children. The Shami kebabs are made with mutton. Okay? Yes, next. Vada pav children. Vada pav is the famous dish of Maharashtra children. Vada pav is a famous dish of Maharashtra. It is made with potato. Fried potato is placed between bun children. It is placed between bun and it is served with chutneys children. Chutneys and sauce. And it is a famous dish of Maharashtra. Okay? Yes children. Next. Dosa. You know dosa very well. Yes children. Dosa is a famous dish of Tamil Nadu. Dosa is the famous dish of Tamil Nadu. Okay children. Next. Bapa Eilish. Bapa Eilish is a famous dish of West Bengal children. This is a fish curry children. Bapa Eilish means this is a fish curry and this is famous in the state of West Bengal children. Okay. Even though each and every state has its own special dish, these dishes are not only prepared in that particular state's children. In the other states also these dishes are prepared. For example, Hyderabadi biryani children. Hyderabadi biryani is not only prepared in Hyderabad, it is also prepared in other states children. Like we people of Hyderabad cook and eat other states dishes children. Yes or no? We prepare doklas and other dishes. They are dishes of different states. We cook and enjoy them. In the same way, people of different states, they enjoy dishes of different states children. Okay. And example children, Bengali food. Bengali food is available in Delhi children. Bengali food is available in the city of Delhi. And doklas children. Doklas are the famous dish of Gujarat now. And these Gujarati doklas are available in Kolkata children. Gujarati doklas are available in the city of Kolkata. And children, fruits and vegetables also. Fruits and vegetables are also brought and sold to one state to another. These are also bought and sold to one state to another. Okay children. Okay children, hope so you have understood today's topic. Let me give you today's task children. Children, I will give you new words from today's topic. Write it neatly in your textbook. Okay children. Yes children. Mustard. Mustard children. Sesame. Sesame. Aniseed. Aniseed. Asafoetida. Asafoetida. Cardamom. Cardamom. Peppercorn. Basil. Coriander. Mint. Curry leaves. Rogan Josh. Dal Bati Churma. Dokla. Hyderabadi Biryani. Tekwa. Makke di Roti. Shami Kebab. Vada Pav. Bapa Eilish. Bapa Eilish. Children, these are the new words from today's topic. Write it neatly in your classwork and send it to my personal window. Okay children, thank you.